What'd they get this time?
Looks like a rabbit.
Well, that's another meal lost. I still can't believe we went through all that commissary food in 3 months. It seemed like so much at the time.
Maybe you shouldn't have opened the door.
Yeah, except then I'd probably be food by now. Trust me, I have no regrets.
Rabbit's hardly a meal, Mark, but I'd take it. We're all hungry.
No kidding. When I accidentally grabbed for Carly's rations the other night, I thought she was gonna take off my hand.
We're all on edge. Just cut us some slack.
Yeah, you're right. I wish I knew for sure how much food we have left.
We'll manage.
Maybe. You know, some people aren't too happy about the way Lily's handling rations.
Nobody knows it's important to keep the adults fed and functioning. Sometimes that means someone's got to miss a meal.
You think Kenny's having any more luck than we are out here?
I sure hope so.
Yeah, between the lack of food and Kenny and Lily fighting all the time, things are getting pretty tense back at the motor inn. You know, Kenny's been talking about taking off if he can get that RV running.
Kenny won't abandon us. He's a good man.
I guess we'll see. Can't blame him, though. Did you hear Larry going off on him last night? What's the old guy's deal, anyway? Seems like he's got a problem with you in particular.
He thinks I'm a danger to the group. And Clementine.
I think he's the one putting us in danger. The way Lily worries about his health, I wouldn't be surprised if she's been skimming rations for him. And I know Lily thinks he's getting weaker, but the guy's all muscle. He's a walking pile driver. I know I wouldn't want to be stuck in a room with him. And didn't he punch you in the face one time?
Knock me flat. Take the shot. We need anything we can get at this point.
Shit! Was that Kenny?
I don't know. Come on!
Jesus Christ.
Oh shit! No, please don't kill us! We just want to help our teachers. We'll leave, I swear!
Lee! You guys okay?
Get it off! Get it off! God damn it! Get it off me!
Travis! Maybe they can help!
These might be the same guys that raided our camp. We barely got away from that.
Look, guys.
It's okay. We're not gonna hurt you.
Don't listen to them, Ben.
Please, just let us go. We're not a threat to you.
Kid, chill out! We'll try to help you, but you gotta shut the fuck up!
This is fucked up. We gotta go.
Please!
Ben, shut up! My dad was Special Forces. I know what I'm doing.
Just see if you can get him out! After that you can leave us or whatever! I don't care! Please!
We gotta get him out of there.
Oh God, thank you! Fine, but you gotta hurry! Hurry, please, hurry!
Lee, this trap's been altered. There's no release latch.
Shit! Walkers! It's now or never, Lee! Please! Get me out of this!
Mark, get the boys back. Kenny, keep those walkers off of me.
You have to get him out!